Happy Thirsty Thursday! Today I'm making a Lotus Martini. Do you like lychees? Keep watching. So I lined up everything so you don't have to wait while I measure. I have 2 ounces of dry jam, 2 ounces of lychee syrup. It's in the can. It comes with lychees. Half of ounce of Grenadine and half of ounce of blue curacao. So also I'll be using edible glitter just for more festive look. I'll put the link down below where I get those. So let's shake things up. It goes gin, lychee syrup, Grenadine, and blue curacao. Oh, and edible glitter. Edible glitter, we need to make everything fancy. Good amount. All right, let's shake things up. There you go. Oh, what a gorgeous color came out from the glitter. Ooh, I love it. Very festive. Let's decorate with some lychees. And look at that, guys. It's so sparkly. Cheers. Happy Thirsty Thursday. Look at that color. Don't be jealous. You can make just like this.